Everyone tells you to hire for growth. They say you need an operations manager to scale. In 2024, that is a $50,000 mistake. You don't need another person to manage. You need a system that manages itself. Over the last year, I've helped dozens of solopreneurs strip away the operational bloat. We replaced manual coordination, scheduling, and reporting with multi-agent AI workflows. The result: zero payroll taxes, zero human error, and 24/7 execution. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you how to build a multi-agent system that handles your lead routing, project tracking, and client onboarding on total autopilot. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to replace a $50K salary with a $50 a month subscription. Let's dive in. You've hit that frustrating ceiling. Your inbox is a disaster. Your CRM is a graveyard of dead leads. The standard advice: hire an ops manager, someone to handle the details so you can focus on the big picture. Sounds like a dream, right? Until you see the payroll. $50K, $70K, maybe more. But here's the part the gurus don't tell you. Now you're not just managing your business. You're managing a person. You spend your mornings explaining how to do the very things you hired them to take off your plate. Humans get tired. They misread a brief. They forget to follow up on a Friday afternoon. And let's be honest, most of what an ops manager actually does is just moving data from point A to point B, checking a lead, updating a Google Sheet, sending a notification. That's not strategic operations. That's glorified data entry. You are paying a premium executive salary for tasks that a well-built workflow can do in milliseconds. You didn't buy freedom. You bought a middleman. And in 2024, paying a human to be the bridge between your software apps is a massive waste of capital. You don't have a people problem. You have a systems problem. Stop looking at job boards. Stop interviewing candidates who promise to streamline your processes. In 2024, you don't hire a person to manage your operations. You build a system that manages them. I'm talking about a digital ops manager, a multi-agent workflow that doesn't take a salary, doesn't sleep, and doesn't make human errors. Here is the blueprint. First, we need the brain. For this, we use OpenAI's GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 Sonnet. But a LLM by itself is just a chat box. It has no hands. To give it hands, we use Make.com. Make.com is the central nervous system. It connects your email, your CRM, your project management tools, and your AI. Now, the secret to replacing a $50K employee isn't one big prompt. It's a multi-agent architecture. Instead of one AI trying to do everything, we create specialized agents. Agent 1, the gatekeeper. This agent monitors every incoming lead and internal request. It doesn't just sort them. It analyzes intent. It asks, is this a high-priority client, a support ticket, or spam? Agent 2, the executor. Once the gatekeeper flags a priority, the executor takes over. It automatically creates the project folder in Google Drive, assigns a task in ClickUp, and drafts a personalized response in your brand voice. Agent 3, the analyst. Every Friday, this agent scrapes your data, calculates your KPIs, and slacks you a concise summary of where the business is leaking money. Let's trace a real-world example. A new lead hits your inbox. Traditionally, your ops manager reads it, manually enters it into the CRM, notifies the sales team, and schedules a call. That takes 20 minutes of human focus. With this workflow, it happens in 4 seconds. The lead is parsed, the CRM is updated, The calendar link is sent, and your team is notified via Slack with a full AI-generated summary of the lead's pain points. But here is the part most people miss. Memory. To make this feel human, we connect the workflow to a database, like Airtable or Pinecone. This allows your agents to remember that Client X prefers Zoom over Google Meet, or that Client Y had a complaint 3 months ago. Now you aren't just automating tasks, you're automating judgment. That is how you turn a $50,000 overhead into a $50 a month API bill. Now you could spend weeks interviewing candidates, or you can build this in an afternoon. I built this entire system using Make.com. It's the glue that connects your AI agents to your actual business data. If you want to stop paying a salary and start paying pennies per task, check the link in the description to get started with Make. The results: instead of a $50,000 yearly salary, my operational overhead dropped to about $40 a month. No sick days, no human error, no "I'll get to it Monday," just instant, autonomous execution. Stop hiring for problems that code can solve. Click the link below, set up your account, and build your first agent today.